Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And you guys, today we just have another video of me pretty much prepping my bundles. I like to put ribbons on them and hang tags. Now disclaimer, I am at my shop still, so if you hear extra stuff, that's my neighbors. I don't usually do voiceovers here, but I had a little issue with the other video I was gonna post, so I'm like, let me just do this one instead. Now, if you've seen my first video of me adding hang tags to my bundles, then you'll see I have different ribbons. These are the ribbons I was actually waiting on, but I don't think I ordered them in time, so I just went to the store and got some other ribbons. But these are the ones that I wanted initially. Also, I have different hang tags. Before, I was just printing them off. I believe I showed that in the first video. By the way, if you have not seen that video, it will be linked below. So this whole video is like a compilation of different days. Oh, look at them bundles. I just love my bundles, y'all. I ain't even So yeah, it's a compilation of different days. So I have changed my hang tags. I used to just print them off, but this time I went to Vistaprint, which was where I go a lot of times, and I got them squared. I didn't want them rectangular anymore, and I didn't like the paper that I was using initially, so I got them from Vistaprint. It's a thicker quality paper, and they're just, I wanted square instead of rectangle. Also, as you can see, I'm zooming through these hang tags. If you watched the first video, then you know I was struggling. It was not working. I even had to replace the little tags, and I did that without any problems, because you know I'd be struggling. And in one of my videos, I can't remember which one, I talked about how the little hair nets was not working, but I did figure out a way to make them work. So I take all my bundles out of the plastic they come in, and after I label them, I put them in the hair nets. This is just another little shot of the hair that I love so much. I think these are 30 inches if I'm not mistaken, or 28 or 26, probably 26. Yeah, so it looks like these were 26. I think these were already spoken for. That's how I remember they could not have been 30 inches because it was only 3 bundles. And usually with 30 inches, you want at least 4. But ain't it so pretty? Make sure you guys check out my website, www.madamebluedonna. It is linked below and linked below in all of my videos. So here I'm just putting the sticker labels on my headbands. I think I have a snippet of me doing this on some other headbands in one of my Vlogmas videos, because I do have other styles. And again, this video is a little old, so those right there, those tan ones are out of stock, and then there were some black ones that I showed. Those are out of stock too, but all the other styles are available. Y'all love these headbands. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw them, I was like, no, I especially love that one. I took one of those for myself. But they're just so cute. I love them. And this is just an updated video showing my current styles. The purple one, the white one, and the furry ones are new. and I posted this video on Snapchat, which is why it has that writing on it. But this one is the most recent one, and it does have the most recent hang tags. If you look at some of the bundles that's already labeled over there, the hang tags are the newer ones. In this video, I just decided to throw it in there because we were showing all the other inventory, so I'm like, why not? I do make press-on nails too. Make sure to check out my website. And I do have a video on how to apply them. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and TTYO.